Wired smoke alarms often trigger false alarms due to interconnect faults, where loose wiring or faulty relays cause alarms to activate simultaneously without smoke. To address this, check all connections and ensure proper wiring. NFPA data shows interconnect faults are a leading cause of wired alarm failures, but modern wireless options eliminate 90% of these issues. Battery issues are another common cause of false alarms. Dead or corroded batteries can cause intermittent chirping or full alarms. Replace batteries annually, preferably with lithium-ion types for longer life and fewer issues. In summary, wired smoke alarms often trigger false alarms due to interconnect faults and battery problems. Checking wiring and replacing batteries annually can resolve these issues. Dust and debris accumulation is a major cause of false alarms, especially in photoelectric sensors. Clean your smoke alarms quarterly to prevent this. Use a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to gently remove dust from the sensor. Consider upgrading to newer models with self-cleaning features. As UL expert Michael Schottiner emphasizes, a clogged sensor can miss real fires. According to the NFPA, proper maintenance reduces false alarms by 85%. AI-driven sensors are also emerging, predicting 80% fewer false positives by 2027, using machine learning to filter out dust-induced triggers.